Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing is showing how to make slime with just the 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner. It has conditioner, so you need conditioner. It has conditioner, so the shampoo is actually conditioner because it's 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner. It's conditioner. So if it has conditioner, it's okay, you can use it. But this you'll be needing is 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner. It has conditioner, so the main part is conditioner. And a place to make your slime in, and a mixing tool. First thing you're gonna grab is your conditioner. Just add it in there. I'm making so much slime. Then you're gonna add it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. So guys, like, I want to see how thick is this. If it's so thin then it's gonna work. I have a good feeling this is gonna work. Now put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. I'll be back after 10 minutes. 3, 2,